we divide 882 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 8 and it is 38. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down these 2 and it is 32. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put zev. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get zev. So 882 divided by 5 is 176 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.